Welcome to the SICAM Malaysian Motocross Championships Round 7, all happening right here at Gerik, Perak. This is a new motocross track. A lot of new people getting involved in this particular event. As you can see, it's a very, very brand new track. We've got all the features that will make this an excellent weekend of racing. We've got a single jump, we've got a double jump, we've got a triple jump, and look at the crowd. The crowd is really swelled up over the weekend, and really it's been a lot of interest. We've got everyone here. It's an event really that everyone around the area are there to really watch these youngsters on their machines. They're probably taking the machines through the paces here in this new track. And as I was speaking, the track is just over 1 kilometer in length. We've got a triple jump, we've got a tabletop, we've got a whoop-de-doop, even a washboard. And looking at the action there, we've got last-minute details to be attended to, the sprockets, the tires, and of course the filling up of forms, which of course means that every rider must be accounted for. And the briefing by the COC, Husky Time, really telling everyone, all the riders, that they've got to follow the rules and regulations because it could be pretty dangerous. But it's nice to see a lot of youngsters involved because we've got all the categories. Well, that's Robo, and this is the gate, but this is how they're going to start the races. And of course, you must have your drink, you must have your refreshments. Well, Robo, the expert, is there. He loves this carnival atmosphere.
Memang baguslah. Gerik ni memang tak ada apa langsung ya. Ada ni kira orang Gerik ni kira memang kira
rasa seronok lah sebab ada orang kata sukan macam ni kan. Nanti orang kata orang macam orang tempatan pun boleh meniaga sikit kan tentang ekonomi kita lah. Bagus jugalah. Kalau boleh tiap-tiap tahun buat pun tak apa. Okay.
Pendapat saya satu semangat lah bagi rakyat daerah Gerik untuk bagi penganjur mengadakan, dan saya rasa lebih baiklah ada tiap-tiap 1 tahun sekali lah untuk menambahkan lagi anak-anak muda kita dalam bidang motocross ni.
Okey lah kalau buat ni setiap tahun okey lah sini. Kira walaupun Gerik ni dia apa? Tak ada macam apa? Tak ada sukan motocross ni tak ada lagi kan? Tak buat lagi kan? Itu ya.
Okey, dari pusingan terkejut patutnya di Bandar Tenggara Johor. Tapi kerana dia keadaan litar yang tak apa-apa ni, kita bawa program ni ke Gerik. Kerana di Gerik ni memang sambutan memang cantik lah. Kami pun berurusan dengan Airborne Motor, Cikgu Nazmi yang memberi kita litar ni.
And this is a recap of what happened in round 6 in Jalan Kebun in Shah Alam, where of course we see number 7 really. That is number 7 would be Muhammad Adam on a KTM machine, and he is a young man to watch. And looking, of course, at Jalan Kebun, the track is also a tremendous track. We've had, of course, a lot of falls, a lot of thrills, a lot of spills, but that's part of the game if you want to be involved in this dirt. And looking at the youngsters really proving themselves on the bikes and really tackling the kind of conditions. Well, sometimes it could be a lot of mud, but that's the way these boys just love it. We've got even the Cub Cross, we've got the juniors, we've got the mini bikers, we even go through the veterans. Don't forget, we've got the trail bikes as well, all enjoying themselves, and rounding off with the novices as we also see the veterans. And that was 707. Incidentally, 707 is a trail biker, and he is really showing that he would be also a rider to watch. He's Muhammad Firdaus Agus Mawadi. They are simply enjoying themselves. They really had a